What if I told you that ancient civilizations built structures so advanced that even with our modern technology, we still can't figure out how they did it? Today, we're exploring 7 mysterious structures that continue to baffle engineers worldwide. From impossible stone cuts to gravity-defying constructions, these ancient marvels mock our 21st century capabilities. Let's dive into mysteries that prove our ancestors might have been far more advanced than we imagined. 1. The Great Pyramid of Giza, Egypt. Standing tall for over 4,500 years, the Great Pyramid isn't just old, it's impossibly precise. Each limestone block weighs up to 15 tons, yet they fit together so perfectly you can't slide a credit card between them. The pyramid's base is level to within just 2.1 centimeters, precision that challenges today's laser-guided construction. Modern engineers estimate it would take our best equipment at least 20 years to replicate this monument. The internal chambers align perfectly with constellations, and mathematical ratios suggest knowledge of pi and phi that wasn't discovered until centuries later. How did ancient Egyptians create what many consider the most perfect building ever constructed, without cranes or modern mathematics? 2. Puma Punku, Bolivia. Located 12,800 feet above sea level, Puma Punku features stone blocks that look machine-cut. These perfectly smooth stones have intricate interlocking joints fitting like a 3D puzzle. The precision is exact to within 1/100th of an inch, rivaling modern tolerances. These stones are andesite and diorite, so hard they can only be cut with diamond tools today. Yet ancient builders shaped them into complex geometric forms with perfect edges. Some blocks weigh over 130 tons, transported from quarries miles away across rough mountain terrain. Modern engineers admit they'd struggle to achieve such precision with computer-controlled equipment. The blocks fit without mortar, surviving earthquakes and harsh weather for over 1,000 years. 3. The Maai statues of Easter Island. These aren't just stone heads. They're full-bodied statues buried to their necks, some reaching 33 feet tall and weighing 82 tons. Recent discoveries reveal intricate bodies with detailed carvings and ceremonial loincloths. The precision carving on hard volcanic rock would challenge modern sculptors. But the real mystery is logistics. How did a small island population move these massive statues miles from quarry to final positions? Modern equipment experiments have failed to replicate efficient transport methods. The statues are positioned with mathematical precision, aligned with astronomical events in complex patterns, suggesting advanced surveying techniques. Their placement follows engineering principles we're only beginning to understand. 4. Stonehenge, England. This precision-engineered astronomical calculator was built 5,000 years ago. The massive trilithons required engineering knowledge that shouldn't have existed in the Neolithic period. Each sarsen stone weighs up to 50 tons, shaped with stone hammers, yet achieving smooth surfaces and precise joints. Horizontal lintels are curved following the circle's circumference, held by complex mortise-tenon joints. The structure predicted eclipses and tracked celestial movements with startling accuracy. The acoustic properties create perfect sound resonance in specific spots. Transport remains mysterious. Bluestones came from Wales, 150 miles away. Recent radar reveals an entire underground landscape of connected monuments, suggesting Stonehenge was part of a vast, precisely planned complex. 5. The Antikythera mechanism, Greece. This 2,000-year-old bronze device is essentially an ancient computer tracking astronomical movements with stunning accuracy. It calculated sun, moon, and planet positions, predicted eclipses, and tracked Olympic Games cycles. The mechanism contains over 30 precision-cut gears, some with teeth smaller than 18th century clockwork. Modern CT scans reveal gear ratios matching astronomical cycles with Renaissance-level accuracy. The craftsmanship required, microscopic precision, imperfect gear teeth would cause total failure. This technology appeared in isolation, with no similar ancient devices known, and the knowledge vanished completely. Modern attempts to recreate it using period tools have largely failed, representing mechanical sophistication historians believed impossible until medieval times. 6. Sacsayhuaman, Peru. These massive stones create earthquake-resistant engineering that shames modern seismic design. The largest stones weigh over 200 tons, fitting so perfectly that knife blades can't slip between them. Each uniquely shaped stone has multiple angles and curves, creating an interlocking puzzle that strengthens under stress. Despite no flat surfaces, every stone fits perfectly with neighbors, creating walls surviving major earthquakes for 500 years, while nearby Spanish buildings crumble. Modern engineers admit they couldn't replicate this construction today. The stones show no tool marks despite being harder than steel, somehow shaped into mathematical precision. Transport methods remain unknown from distant mountain quarries. The construction techniques were completely lost after Spanish conquest. 7. Göbekli Tepe, Turkey. Built 11,600 years ago, before agriculture, writing, or wheels, this site rewrites civilization history. Massive carved stone pillars, arranged in complex circles, weigh up to 16 tons, with intricate animal reliefs. The precision limestone carving would challenge modern sculptors with diamond tools. It demanded coordinated effort from hundreds over decades, yet predates any known complex society. Pillars are positioned with astronomical precision, tracking celestial movements. Ground-penetrating radar reveals dozens of similar buried circles. The stoneworking techniques disappeared when the site was deliberately buried around 8000 BCE. Modern attempts to quarry and shape similar stones using period tools have failed completely, leaving us with more questions than answers about humanity's earliest architect.